Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. So here at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, so let's tap on it. And here we have to verify our identity, so enter our screen lock to confirm. Now we've got the information, so just tap on Reset and wait until this process will be finished. Your device will show you this information, and it means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.